Hi, this is Dan at DH Squared. I hope you find today's iPhone tip useful. So let's get to it. So do you ever have one of those times where somebody calls you and you miss the call, or you are not able to take the call at that time and you want to give them a call back when it's convenient for you? Now, the problem I have is when it becomes convenient for me, I'll already have forgotten that I need to call this person back. So I'm going to show you a little trick here that you can do on your iPhone, that where you can set up a reminder very easily to call somebody back at a certain time. So now to do this, you just go into your recent calls, and it can be a recent call that you placed to somebody or that they placed to you or whatever. It really doesn't matter. It can be a missed call and so on. All you have to do though is find that person's number in your recents and then swipe to the left, and you get a little couple little choices here. One is you can delete that call out of your register. The other one, with the little picture of a clock, is where you can set up a reminder. So just tap on that, and then you can tell it, remind me in an hour, remind me later tonight, tomorrow, or if you click on the remind me later ... you can set up a specific time for a reminder that will come through on your phone. It'll give you a notification and it'll remind you to call that person. So this is just a nice little trick to help you not forget to call those people back when you're not able to call that answer the call, let's say, at the particular time that they're calling you. So I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.